Insert a TF memory card with a maximum capacity of 128 GB before use. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device, and it will automatically enter recording mode with a flashing red light. Equipment operation instructions will be accompanied by corresponding voice prompts. Press the power button to stop recording. The red light stays on for a long time. Press the Wi-Fi button to take a photo of the device. Press and hold the power button again to turn off the device.
Shut down.
Scan the Roadcam QR code on your phone or search for the Roadcam app in the App Store to download and install it. When the device is turned on, long press the Wi-Fi button to enter Wi-Fi mode.
Turn on Wi-Fi.
Enter the mobile lane, find the Wi-Fi name starting with RAW3, and enter the password 12345678. The mobile phone successfully connected to the helmet camera's Wi-Fi. Open the Roadcam app and choose to stay connected. Click on the middle camera icon to see the device's camera image. Long press the tail light power button, and the Bluetooth function of the device will automatically turn on. The phone can connect to a Bluetooth device named Helmet, and once connected, the helmet speaker can play the phone's sound, enabling functions such as making calls and listening to music. Short press the safety warning light button to achieve slow flashing of the lights in sequence.
Fast flash.
Quick flashing.
No flash.
No flashing.
Light off.
Closing and other operations. Long press the power button on the remote control to turn it on and off. After turning it on, the remote control automatically connects to the helmet.
Turn left.
The remote control can operate the left turn signal.
Turn right.
Right turn signal. Emergency light, and answer phone calls.